Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Chat GPT together with Cupcat to create video scripts, AI voiceovers, templates, and even fully AI generated videos. Let's get straight to the point. Step 1. Open Chat GPT. Go to chat.openai.com. To connect Cupcat, you need to add the Cupcat GPT plugin. You can do this by clicking Explore GPTs on the left-hand menu or clicking your profile icon and selecting Explore GPTs. Now search for Cupcat. Click the first result and you are connected. I've already done this step to speed things up. Step 2. Finding viral Cupcat templates. Let's start simple. I asked ChatGPT to recommend popular TikTok video templates in a 9:16 format, ideal for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Shorts. In seconds, it generated a few engaging templates. Let's open one. As you can see, the design is clean. The music may not be perfect, but the framing and transitions are on point. You can easily add your own photos or videos into these templates. Step 3. AI text to video. Next, I asked it to create a TikTok video with stock videos of sunsets, a poetic narration. Within seconds it delivered. Here's the result: a short video featuring a poem-style voiceover paired with calm visuals. It's not sci-fi level yet, but it's evolving fast. Step 4. Create a voiceover in a specific style. Then I asked it to generate a video with a deep male voice reciting a Bob Dylan song. Due to copyright, it didn't use the actual lyrics, but generated an original poem in a Dylan-style voice instead. Let's listen to the result. The wind keeps blowing, the road is long, not quite blowing in the wind, but impressive for AI-generated content. Step 5. Fun prompt. A love poem for Trump and Musk. For fun, I asked it to create a poem video about Donald Trump and Elon Musk, two powerful figures in love with innovation and influence. The AI produced a playful rhyming narration. Here's a sample. Donald and Elon, a duo so bold. One builds rockets, the other spins gold. While the video visuals didn't load this time, the script and narration were successfully generated. Final thoughts. In just a few minutes, you saw how to connect Cupcat to ChatGPT, generate TikTok templates, create voiceovers and poetic videos, have a little fun with creative prompts. The process is quick, easy, and evolving daily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and have a great day.